Don't worry. I'll build you a castle. First, we need strong walls. Very strong. This is harder than I thought.
Ow! Silly hammer!
I can't give up. You need a home. See? Screws are much better. Now for the windows, so you can see. Click. Clack. Perfect. Your new home is ready. My work here is done. Okay, team. Time for Operation Playground. First, we need a super slide. This is trickier than it looks. A little bendy. Okay, take two. Let's be friends. Yes! See? We got this! Every good slide needs racing stripes. You want to help, huh? And now... the swing of champions. Ta-da! Your playground is open. It's fun, I promise. See? You did it! You're a natural! Best! Playground ever! Okay, I will need the important stuff. This has to be just right for you. Whoops! Let's try that again. Yes! See? I can do it! Almost done. Just one more piece. A perfect drinking trough. Okay, here comes the best part. That's it. It's all for you. You're welcome. You're welcome. First, the walls. Strong walls. Oops, let's try that again. There. That's how it's done.
Whew. Heavy.
Now for the most important part. safe in there, little ones. Hello there, little friend. 1, 2, 3, all of you. I'll be right outside waiting. A minute now, I know it. You have a brand new home. You have a brand new home.